What up though, everybody? It's your boy jkoolii. I'm a little under the weather, so bear with me, whatever. But today's video will be about the 5 things I hate about my new car. Alright, let's just get straight into it. First thing is the color. It's white. It look nice when it's clean and all, you know, but you could wash it one day, and that same day, by the end of the day, it's gonna be dirty, or you're gonna see a little smudge. Like, especially when you got a new car, like, that's when you really notice, you know, the blemishes or whatever, because you just care too much. It's like, whatever. So the paint, oh yeah, also on the front bumper, like where the asphalt kicks up and hits the car, it's a lot of scratches, a lot of rock scratches, you know, scrapes and stuff like that. And I know you're supposed to, like, put, like, a little clear coat, wax, or protection on it, but I didn't do that, so I gotta deal with that. So another thing is the steering wheel. Like, I wish it had the little 10 and 2 bolsters come out, like right here, like right above your thumbs. But I mean, it is a perforated steering wheel. If you don't know what that means, look it up. It's basically like little tiny holes in the steering wheel, but like, I don't know. I feel like it could have came with like bolsters. That would have been nice. That would have been a nice addition to what they already did to it. The third thing would be, all right, this car has 283 horsepower. Now, my old car, which was a 2002 Mitsubishi Lancer OZ Rally, had 130 on the dash, but it only had 120 horsepower. So I'm just wondering why this car is limited to 120 and has more than twice the horsepower of my old car. So I feel like it should say 160. Maybe that's pushing it, you know, because the RTs and the 5.7s, Chryslers and Chargers, you know, they got that. So I'm like, okay, maybe that's too much. At least y'all could have put 140 on there. I don't even care if it don't hit 140. Just seeing 140 on the dash would be nice, you know. But I mean, yeah, that's that. The fourth thing is, y'all gonna be mad at this, but the leather seats, bro. Like, in the summertime, these shits is hot. Thank God I got, you know, keyless entry, remote start, whatever. But when I forget to, you know, start up the AC in the summertime and I gotta come in here, boy, seat belt be burning, seats be burning, be uncomfortable. You feel me? I would prefer, I don't like cloth seats either. Like, I would actually prefer not like a whole Alcantara, you know, seat, but like, I don't know, man. I ain't feeling these leather seats. I don't know, whatever. And the last thing I'm gonna have to say, oh, is this weak ass entertainment system. I got an aftermarket one now. I got a Pioneer 7-inch touchscreen, Apple CarPlay, whatever. But before that, it was like a dud, like buttons. It had an aux, you know. We passed that. We passed the aux generation, you know. iPhones can't even use aux unless you got like a little dongle or whatever you call it. So it's like, I don't know, it was useless to me. That's why I had to replace it. But yeah, I mean, that's about it. I mean, other than that, it's a nice car. Next video I do is probably be the 5 things I do like about this car. And yeah, like, comment, subscribe, comment any videos y'all want me to do. I do got the new iPhone XS Max, 256 gigs. What else I got? I got some more new things I could just do reviews on or whatever. It's whatever. Thank you for the support. Keep supporting me if you can. Share this to anybody if you can, if you want. I don't care, whatever. If you already rocking with me, I fucks with y'all. Yeah, that's the end of the video. Peace.